Welcome back, travelers. Today, we're diving into the top affordable travel destinations for 2024. Whether you're craving culture, adventure, or simply a getaway on a budget, we've got you covered. Let's embark on this budget-friendly journey. First stop, Egypt. Avoid the peak season and holidays to experience this ancient land without breaking the bank. Indulge in $2 shakshuka breakfasts and falafel wraps, and hop on eco-friendly cross-country trains for as low as $36. Don't miss the breathtaking Nile sunset cruise or explore Luxor with a convenient Luxor pass. And for a slice of authentic charm, head to Dahab over pricey hotspots. Next up, North Macedonia. Dive into canyons, mountainous parks, and Ottoman-era villages, all at absurdly low prices. Discover the jewel of Lake Ohrid and its cliff-top church, away from the tourist crowds. With the absence of the euro, your budget stretches even further in this hidden gem of a destination. Indulge in the delicious world of crepes while exploring sandy shores and ancient standing stones. Take advantage of direct ferries, lower petrol costs, and affordable self-catering accommodations. Brittany offers a taste of France without the hefty price tag. Last but not least, Lisbon. Named the top European value destination, Lisbon offers affordable accommodations and delicious petiscos. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of this coastal city without breaking the bank. And there you have it, folks. These affordable travel destinations for 2024 promise unforgettable experiences without draining your wallet.